Well, here I am in the middle of our overly generous lemon tree. It's absolutely bursting with lemons. As you can see, we've had a very wet winter here in Southern California, and this thing is exploding with citrus. I've also got to trim some branches off this beast, and I'm using my Fisker's tree trimmer, and I'm just trying to get it positioned just so over one of these branches so I can give it a good clip. But I wanted to give you an idea here of just kind of what I'm dealing with. I'm under the citrus tree. I'm not under the branch though, safety first. It looks like it because of the camera angle and the length of this pole, but I'm actually quite some feet away, and I'm just trying to position this Fisker's tree trimmer to get just the right spot, and boom, clip the branch like so. Let me give you another angle of this tree trimmer in action as I look up at a couple of Black Hawk helicopters flying by. But I also wanted to show you just how quickly this trimmer works. I'm going to lop off a couple of branches here in fairly quick succession. Just to give you an idea that this thing is not only effective with thicker branches, but with thinner ones you can knock them down fairly quickly. It doesn't hurt that I've got some weight on these branches with all the lemons, but I found that it's easier to pick the lemons off the branches after they're already down and try to get them off the tree. Here's one branch way up here. Let me see if I can get that one. And sometimes you got to finagle a little bit. And also you want to make sure that you're not under the branch, so I want to stand back and get out of the shot a little bit. And give the trimmer a good solid tug, and boom, more lemonade. Here's a close-up look at the business end of this particular tree trimmer. In fact, most tree trimmers kind of operate in the same fashion. As you can see, it looks like a mini guillotine, so treat it with respect. Even though this isn't a power tool per se, you still want to keep it out of reach of kids or people that are irresponsible. And the idea is to just put the hook over a branch like you can see there, and then give the blade a good solid tug. Not easy to do while I'm trying to hold the camera. Again, I'm several feet away from this branch. Here's another shot. Here's another branch. Let me get through the leaves here, and you can see the hook's over yet another branch, and I'm just trying to get in a position where I can give the blade a good solid tug. And once I do that, you'll hear the crash and burn of a lemon-laden branch falling to the ground. And I'm going to give you a close-up shot of one of the thicker branches I took down today. You can see the diameter. I don't have the measurements, but you can get an idea of just how thick these branches are. Trimming a lemon tree is not for the faint of heart. I'm filming this on Holy Week right before Easter, so it gives you an idea of what Jesus Christ went through. Those spikes mean business. I'm using another Fisker's pruning tool right here just to clip these branches. In fact, don't do what I'm doing. Always wear work gloves. As you can see, I didn't use them here, but I'm just trying to make sure these branches all fit into our refuse bin. So this is the good part of lemon harvesting right there. There's the fruit of my labors, pun intended. That's the tough part, those spiky branches. So you want to handle those with care. So here's hoping the trees you need to prune are not nasty customers like this one. I use a heavy-duty zip tie to store the cord, wrap up the cord, and store this trimmer, and this particular Fisker's trimmer extends 14 feet. If you need something longer, I don't know, maybe it's time to call a pro. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you. If it did, please subscribe.